Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today on the show, we're joined with Joel Larish, Chief Product Officer at Stake. Joel, we're so excited to have you here today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about what Stake is?
Yeah, hi everyone, and thanks for having me on the show, Ali. So Stake is a digital brokerage platform that gives users around the world access to be able to buy and sell US shares through our mobile and web application. And as a business, we're really committed to breaking down the barriers between people and the US market, both in terms of cost and complexity. And for us, that means no fees on trades, a rapid and fully digital account creation process, and also a seamless product experience that doesn't really compromise on the sophistication of trading features. We launched in 2017 in Australia, and we've since expanded to New Zealand and the UK, and we're really excited about our Brazil launch next month. And we're looking to Europe and Latin America very shortly after.
It's such a great entry point, right? For someone who hasn't necessarily dabbled in investing in stocks, you make the process really easy. So how has AWS enabled this seamless experience for the business?
I think for the business, seamless translates into flexibility and functionality. 2020 has been a very interesting year in terms of, moving from the office environment to the work from home era. And for us, that's meant, given that we have so many remote developers and we're building out our development team, we want to be able to ensure that we don't really lose product roadmap efficiency. So basically, we've used AWS's identity management and their security features to ensure that our remote team can work and not reduce any operational efficiency. And with regards to functionality, AWS obviously offers the best-in-class tool set, and we've made use of everything that they have to offer. So whether it be spinning up, EC2s with self-servicing or AWS Lambda functions or all the auto scaling features, we're trying to really use the functionality in the most efficient way. We recently actually just spun up a Jupyter Notebook server to allow our staff to automate internal processes.
So exciting. I mean, have there been any benefits as well that have extended to your customers?
Yeah, so I think 2020 has been a key year for us in terms of global expansion. I mean, ultimately, there's so much demand to access the US market that we want to put our application in as many hands as possible. But having a strategy and mantra of global expansion is one thing. Actually going and executing it is a completely different story. And for us, AWS and its cross-region functionality has been pivotal to allow that to happen. We were able to get our application up and running in London and Sao Paulo in a matter of hours, whereas who knows how long it would have taken 5 years ago. And I think that, when you're looking overseas, you want to be focusing on customer insights and regulation and make infrastructure deployment as seamless as possible. And AWS as the tech partner makes that amazing.
That's so great to hear. I mean, are there any future projects that you think AWS can help you innovate on beyond the services that you are using? It sounds like you're using quite a few already.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, for us, we want to be really customer driven. And for us, that means drawing insights on how customers are using the platform and what they like and what they don't like about it. And one thing that we want to do is aggregate that data and present it in a really easy to manipulate and, sort of efficient form. And one tool that AWS has is QuickSight. And the reason why we're actually looking to use it and expand our use of it is that it integrates so nicely with sort of your existing AWS infrastructure. You're able to point it at your existing databases while keeping it in your own virtual private cloud. So we're definitely looking to roll that out more internally. One other area, given trading and how for everyone, I think trading is such a unique experience that what we want to do is sort of move into the space of personalization and having each and every one of our users have a unique experience. So we're going to make use of AWS Personalize and their machine learning algorithms to tailor that experience to the end user.
It's so great. I mean, one of the mantras that you guys say is never to settle. And it sounds like you're really customer focused, which is similar to AWS. Can you tell us more about the mantra of never settling?
So I think, never settling has really been there since day one in our business. And it applies internally in the sense of, our processes and being customer driven and never settling in terms of our product roadmap. But it also applies to actually our customers themselves and where they are in life. And, they always should continue to have drive and continue to have ambition. And I think having a tech partner that supports and actually even has a similar ideology is critical for us. And we know that AWS never settle in the sense that the product offering still continues to expand despite being the best in class, but also in terms of the people at AWS. I mean, Mark, our account manager, and the team continue to never settle in the sense that they are always arranging meetings with solutions architects, and also, you know, training programs on DevOps and deployment and anything that they can help with to move our business forward.
Joel, it's been such a pleasure to work with you, and I'm so grateful that you're on the show today. So thank you so much. See you guys next time.
Thank
Bye.
you. See ya.